In this video, we're going to discuss how to transfer money between accounts in Ploutos Budget. We want our budget to reflect reality, so it's not only important to keep track of what each dollar is allocated for, but to know where each dollar is. We're going to run through an example of what this would look like. For this example, we're going to transfer $500 from our savings account into our checking account. When adding a transaction, you may notice that the payee list contains a list of all your accounts. You will see them as to, from, and then your account name. These are automatically created for you whenever you add an account to your budget. These options are used to transfer money between your accounts. So for the amount, we're going to select negative $500. We are essentially paying this money to our checking account because that is where we want the money to go. So we select the to from checking account in the payee field. We are not actually losing or gaining money. We're just moving it. So we do not need a category. You will see whenever you select one of your accounts as the payee that the category field will be disabled to indicate nothing is needed for this field. The account field works as it does for every other transaction. Which account is the money coming from for a negative transaction, or which account is the money going to for a positive. So in this case, it'll be savings. So now we can save this. We can now see that our savings account went down $500 and our checking account went up $500. If we select the accounts pane on the left side navigation, then we can see all of our transactions for the month. We can see that when we created a transaction to transfer money from one account to the other, Ploutos Budget automatically created the matching transaction for the other account. If we delete either one of these transactions, the sibling transaction will automatically be deleted also. Likewise, we can edit the amount of the transaction and both transactions will be updated. Now let's walk through the same process for when one or both of the accounts are linked with their respective financial institutions. When a linked transaction gets posted and shows up in Ploutos Budget, it will give a helpful name in the payee field to signify what it is, but it will not know it is a transfer to an existing account in your Ploutos Budget. You simply need to select the appropriate to from account name option in your payee list. So let's navigate to our checking to see our posted transactions. In this case, it is a positive amount. This means the money came to this account. So you'll select the to from savings because it came from our savings account. The money came to our checking account. So in the account field, we select checking. This will work the same as manually adding a transfer transaction where the category will be disabled and a sibling transaction will automatically be created. So now we can look at our accounts pane and we can see again that it created another sibling transaction. One thing to note, that if both the accounts that you're transferring money between are linked to your financial institution, you only need to add one of them and you can simply delete the other one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.